Hello and welcome to the PWAC Levo e-learning course. This e-learning course refers to the repairing of the PWAC Levo hook. In this chapter you will learn how to exchange the front and back cover. To exchange the front and back cover you need a screwdriver. Please make sure that you have the right bit size for the screws. For the front and back cover you need a Torx 20. Now our technician will demonstrate how to exchange the front and back cover. At the beginning, our technician replaces the front cover. The front as well as the back cover consists of 9 screws. Please take care when you remove the front cover, do not damage any cables. Due to the fact that there is some sealing from inside, it might be that you need more force to remove the cover. Now the back cover will be replaced. When you replace the back cover, please be careful with the cable of the antenna, which is fixed on the back cover. Here we see the antenna. Now we start with the assembling of the back cover. For this purpose, please proceed as follows. First, slip through the antenna as shown. Now the 4 mass screws can be fixed. Here you see the position of the 4 mass screws. All other screws are fixed with Loctite medium strength. Finally, we can fix the front cover. For this purpose, please proceed as follows. First, check that the electronic unit is properly sealed. Please make sure that the cables are stored correctly and cannot be damaged when we place the front cover. Now the 4 mass screws will be fixed. All other screws of the front cover should be fixed with Loctite medium strength.